Can I add essential oils to my humidifier? Have you ever wondered if adding essential oils to your humidifier could enhance your sleep experience? Let's break this down and see what you need to know. Humidifiers are designed to add moisture to the air, which can help with dry skin and congestion. They are especially helpful during the winter months when the air is drier. On the other hand, essential oils are concentrated plant extracts known for their pleasant scents and potential health benefits. Many people use them for relaxation and stress reduction, making them appealing for creating a calming sleep environment. However, before you start pouring essential oils into your humidifier, there are some important factors to consider. First, adding essential oils can potentially damage your humidifier. The oils can leave residues that may clog or corrode the internal parts of the device. This could lead to costly repairs or even void your warranty. Another concern is health-related. Inhaling essential oils dispersed through a humidifier can irritate the lungs or trigger allergic reactions, especially for those with respiratory conditions. Additionally, the heat from certain humidifiers can change the chemical composition of essential oils, which may reduce their effectiveness or even make them harmful. If you still want to incorporate essential oils into your routine, there are safer options. Some humidifiers are designed with a special compartment for essential oils. Always check the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure compatibility before using oils. If your humidifier does not have this feature, consider using a dedicated essential oil diffuser. These devices are specifically designed for aromatherapy and can provide a more controlled and safe experience. When selecting essential oils, opt for high-quality, therapeutic-grade options to minimize risks. Regular maintenance of your humidifier is also essential. Cleaning it regularly helps prevent mold and bacteria growth, ensuring a healthier environment for your sleep. Using essential oils like lavender or chamomile can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. This is vital for maintaining a stress-free mindset. Establishing a consistent sleep routine is important, and creating a calming atmosphere can significantly contribute to that. In summary, while adding essential oils to your humidifier may seem appealing, it is important to approach this practice with caution. Consider using a diffuser or ensure your humidifier is compatible with essential oils to enjoy the benefits safely.